Everyone, you're back with Dr. Parcell. We're in week 6 and we're going to look at number 12. All right, for the special Thanksgiving edition of the local newspaper, a reporter wrote a heartwarming piece. Aw. In this piece, there appeared figures on the number of turkey dinners served by various local charities. The histogram below summarizes the data. Use the histogram to answer each of the questions. All right, so on our x-axis, we can see our intervals broken down from 90 to 139, 140 to 89, 190 to 239, 240 to 289, and 290 to 339. These are, on the x-axis, the number of turkey dinners. Okay, and then the number of charities is on your y-axis. So you could see what each one of them goes up to. Okay, and we know this is a histogram because the bars are touching. And we're working with numerical data. So that's what tells us this is a histogram. We're working with numerical data. All right, let's take a look. One class is the most frequent. Okay, so these are each classes. How many charities are in this class? So you want to look for the bar that has that's the tallest. So the tallest bar. And if we look, it's from 90 to 139. That's the number of turkey dinners. And they gave those out to 9 charities. So this is going to be 9. Okay, the class width, they're looking to see how many numbers fall in each of these. These are called bins, right? Each of these bins here. So how do you figure that out? You're going to subtract lower limits. Okay, so what are lower limits? Let's see here. Let's get rid of some of this. All right, so lower limits are on your bins. Let's see here. So I'm going to underline them. So between 90 and 139, 90 would be your lower limit. 140 to 189, 140 would be your lower limit, right? 190 to 239, what's the lower number? That's 190, that's your lower limit. And as you can guess, 240 would be your lower limit in that interval, and 290 would be your lower limit in that interval. So we could just start subtracting lower limits. So you could do 290 minus 240. You could do 240 minus 190. You could do 190 minus 140. And you could do 140 minus 90. So you'll pick one of those. And if you subtract them, you're going to get 50 every time. So that's the number of turkey dinners that fall in each of these bins. So the width, like how wide they are, is they encompass 50 turkey dinners. Okay, according to the histogram, what is the total number of charities? All right, so for that, we're going to look at how high these go up to. So this has 9. If you just come across, right, that's 5. This guy would be 4. This down here would be 2. And this one here would be 4. So if you add 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, let's see here, what's that going to be? 4 and 4 is 8, 10, 19, 20. That would be 24. Total number of charities. All right, I hope this video helped you. We'll see you in the next one.